Oh, so I think I might have done something wrong.
Hi guys, and good morning everybody. It's Friday, the last day of the week, of the work week, should I say. Yeah, I've been coughing a lot recently, but I'll be fine. Have a little time before to go to work today, so I'm gonna head babe and gonna make Tyler tea ready now. Hope you all having a wonderful day. I'm sure we're gonna have a wonderful day. I'm sure babe gonna do a lot of things today. So yeah, if you want to know what is it, watch the vlog and have a good day.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It is early Friday and the day is not looking so bad, so Tyler and I decided that we will be heading out to spend the day outside because all week it's been a little bit cloudy and stuff. Yes, my love? Mama is talking to the faves. You want to say good morning, faves?
Good morning, guys.
How are you guys?
Hello, guys.
Tell them where you're going.
I'm going to the beach.
Uh-huh.
Go to the free beach.
He's going to the free beach, okay.
Two beach.
Oh, 3 beach and 2 beach, okay. All right.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
oh, the two trucks goes the good duck. The good duck.
The tow trucks go dago. You guys, we are heading out to spend the day out. Yes, my love.
Oh, come down.
Mama is talking to the faves, okay? So baby's off to work and we're heading out. I decided to take today as a little rest day from working out. I've been working out all week and my body is super tired, so I decided that I am going to take today for a rest day and just go out with Tyler and chill and have ice cream and hang out by the beach and just have a relaxed good day, and we might even go and see babe. So that's what's up right now. Make sure you guys have an amazing day. Tyler, why are you shouting, my love? Mama talking to the faves. Make sure you guys have a good day. Make sure you guys stay motivated in whatever that you are doing today. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay away from naysayers, and just be blessed and just be awesome and just stay smiling. It doesn't matter what you do or whoever it is that try to spoil your day. They have no power over you, my love. Stay wonderful, and I'll catch you guys on our way to have a good day. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if it's your first time to our channel, and catch up with the fam bam, and I will catch you guys in a bit. So see you guys soon. Let's go. Come on. My boy is so sweet, I can't take it. Look at him. You're so sweet. You're so handsome. Come on, let's go. Duck, I see you. Come on, let's go catch the banana. Look in front of you. Who is that, Tyler? Papa, to the rescue. Hey. You guys, today outside is not so busy as I thought it would be. There's still a lot of people out, but seeing that it's Friday and it's kind of holiday mode, I was expecting a lot more people out, but I don't mind when it's like this. I love when it's like this, so that I can walk freely without having to be too alert, even though you have to be alert anyways. So Tyler and I ran some errands, and now we're going on a little I wouldn't say lunch break, is more like snack break. So we're going to McDonald's to grab a fries for Thailand, something for me to eat, because I haven't had lunch yet. And we actually saw Babe. I don't know if you guys saw that clip. We saw Babe, and I don't know how long I'll be in town, so we might see him again later when we finish doing what we're gonna do. And I think I'm also gonna do a little shopping, and then we're gonna probably take Tyler to the park. You ready for fries? Let's go have fries, okay? So it's grub time for me and Minnie. We have got a fries for Tyler, and I got a little fish sandwich for me, and that's what we're gonna grab on right now. Ready to eat? Anywhere Tyler see pigeons, you have to stop. You see them? Oh. Come. No, you can't trouble them. They're in restricted area. What you doing? Come. You're so cute. Oh. Turn around. Turn around. Oh, you guys, look at my child. What are you doing? You see yourself? You're so funny like your papa. And the park has so much kids, it's crazy. Don't know if you guys can see all these kids. And the park is so long, it's stretched go all the way that way and all the way that way. Tyler, where are you going? Come. Come, no, you're gonna fall. Let's go to the slide down there, okay? Smiley's at his favorite spot. You guys, Tyler just said the funniest thing ever, but the camera wasn't on, so now I turn on the camera to ask him what it is. He saw this statue right here. Mama. He saw this statue right here. Let me zoom the statue. Mama. And ask him, Tyler, what is that? What is that on the man? What is that? He says it's a penis. What is it?
A stomach.
It's what?
And stomach.
Yes, it is. Oh my god. You guys, Tyler and I had such a good day out, and he actually fell asleep on our way back, so I had to carry him, so I couldn't vlog at some point. I couldn't vlog because I had to carry him. I guess he had too much fun today. Then we got home and I decided that, you know what, I'm just going to do some fast food real quick so that he can get something to eat, him most of all. So I said, all right, I am going to make him his favorite fries and nuggets. So I turn on my fryer, which is right here. I cleaned it yesterday. What I normally do, I normally clean my fryer when I'm putting in new oil. So when I'm taking out old oil, I clean it before I add new oil to it. So I cleaned it yesterday, I washed it down and stuff like that. But when I'm washing it, the inside of it, which is this bar, this thing, can't come out. So I normally have to wash it in, but I always make sure that no water gets into the motor, I guess is that what you would have called. And I turn it on just now because what I would normally do is, because I wash it with soap and stuff like that to get all the old oil, when I plug it back in and turn it on, I would normally kind of let it burn a little bit to get out like if any soap, salt. You see what I mean? Even though it's not freshly washed since yesterday, so I know it's dry. So I normally just make it hot before I add the oil to it, and it was hot and even making smoke, and so I said, all right, I'm gonna add the oil to it. And as soon as I add the oil and I went in the living room because I thought it was heating and come back, it's been like 45 minutes and I'm getting nothing from my fryer. So I think I might have done something wrong. I think I might have made water get into it and stuff like that. We have this fryer for 3 years plus, and I've been cleaning it like that ever since, but I don't know. Let's see if it's just me not doing something right or it's just stopped working, but the oil is in it and it's not heating. So I have to throw Tyler fries into the oven, and it's not the oven fries. Oh my gosh, let me take them out. It's not the oven fries that we have, it's the fryer fries. So it's not going to come out as good as it should. So that's the outcome, which is not so cute, but he'll eat it. So I'm not gonna even bother doing any fries for baby now. I'm going to do this pizza. So yes, we have a dilemma. I think I might have done something really wrong, but oh, let's see when babe comes what he thinks about it. So this is what Tyler gonna do. So if it can't be fixed, I'm now going to have to start buying fries for the oven instead of the fryer. So this is Little Boss's dinner, and of course there's no fries without ketchup for Little Boss. So I'm gonna see his face right now. Hello. It's hot. Pay attention, okay? What do you say? Hey. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. This is pizza. This is meat.
Mince. You look like beef mince.
Yeah, beef meat. You say mint?
Mince.
Mince. Okay. Beef mince and some cheese and tomatoes, and yeah, it's gonna be yummy.
It looks okay.
Yeah.
Let's hope I feel nauseous just by thinking about it. But let's see what amount of it I'll eat.
You will. Don't worry. I eat what you mean.
I don't doubt that. Trust me.
I eat what you mean.
I don't doubt that. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Hi there. Hi guys.
Hi.
My hyper's looking gorgeous today.
You look good.
Thank you, my love.
You're pretty.
Thank you, honey.
Isn't she?
Am I know, I'm confidently beautiful. I'm coming on to give you guys the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today because we're ending the vlog. So that's what he's been doing all afternoon. The Jamaican expression for today is tan sobak. If you hear a Jamaican say to another Jamaican, yo, what you over there so do? And the person respond is going to be, yo, me just there go and tan sobak, you know. Simple mean I'm just here chilling and observing what's going on. Tan sobak.
No, tan sobak.
Right.
Yeah, tan sobak, you know.
Right. There you go. You get it?
I get it.
Okay, what's the French expression for today?
So the French expression for today is avoir l'estomac dans les talons. Avoir l'estomac dans les talons, it means like to have the stomach into the talon is like this part of the body. What's
The ankle.
the ankle?
Okay.
The stomach in the ankle mean to be very hungry.
Hungry or angry?
Like you want to eat?
Oh, hungry.
Hungry.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Avoir l'estomac
Avoir l'estomac
dans les talons.
dans les talons. Talons.
Talons.
Talons. Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, we are signing out for today. Hope you guys really enjoyed today's vlog. Thailand, I had so much fun. We didn't even get to go to the beach and have ice cream and all that. We got so much things done though, and we had so much fun out, especially Thailand, until he knocked out completely on our way home. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time watching, don't leave unless you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next awesome vlog.